Harness Engineering, Playlist 4, Episode 6, the series finale, the discipline that turns models into infrastructure. Here's a quote you'll hear across 2026 from OpenAI, Anthropic, LangChain, Thoughtworks, HumanLayer, converging on one sentence. Agents aren't hard. The harness is hard. That's a confession. The models, the part everyone obsesses over, are no longer the hard part. The system around the model is. The rules, the loops, the tools, the guardrails. That system has a name now. Harness Engineering. 3 evolutions. 2022 to 2024, Prompt Engineering, how you worded your request. 2025, Context Engineering, Playlist 3. Not how you ask, but what the model sees. System prompts, schemas, retrieval, memory, the information environment. 2026, Harness Engineering, not just what the model sees, what environment the agent operates inside. Rules, feedback loops, verification, guardrails, the full life cycle. Each evolution expanded what you, the engineer, are responsible for. One number. March 2026, LangChain moved their coding agent from 30th to 5th on Terminal Bench 2.0 without changing the model. Same weights. They optimized the harness. Another. OpenAI shipped a 1,000,000-line product beta with 0 human-written code under a strict no-manual code constraint that forced a robust harness. Same codex everyone has. Wildly different results. The harness, not the model, determined reliability. Hold this. The model is interchangeable. The harness is the differentiator. When two teams using the same model get wildly different results, you're not looking at a model problem, you're looking at a harness gap. Part 2. What's actually in a harness? 5 layers. Every episode lands here. 5 layers. Every one maps to episodes we've walked through. Layer 1, tool orchestration. MCP, the agent loop, A2A. Layer 2, verification loops. Maker, checker, tests, evals, the evaluator optimizer. Layer 3, context and memory, tokens, caching, tiering, sub-agent isolation. Layer 4, guardrails, permissions, allow lists, human checkpoints. Layer 5, observability, traces, hotel geni, replayable failures. 5 layers, none about the model itself. That's the harness. Notice what just happened. Every episode of this channel, 23 so far, turned out to be a piece of one larger thing. We weren't covering disconnected mechanics. We were assembling a harness, one layer at a time. Anthropic has named 3 failure modes inherent to models but solvable at the harness level. Victory declaration bias, agents mark tasks complete without verifying. Fix, post-completion verification loops. Context anxiety, as the window fills, models rush and cut corners. Fix, compaction and sub-agent isolation. One-shotting overreach, agents try everything in one pass. Fix, forced planning steps. Structural, not fixable by switching models. Consider a telling pattern from real deployments. Coding agent regressions have been traced to harness-level changes, a reasoning effort setting, a caching bug, an over-aggressive prompt. Notice what's not on that list. The model. The model didn't get worse. The harness around it did. When the company that makes the model attributes regressions to the harness, the field is real. Step all the way back. Here's the picture this channel has been building. Playlist 1, the editor. Playlist 2, the agent. Playlist 3, the economics. Playlist 4, production reality, ending in harness. Look at the shape. Every playlist is a layer of the same picture. The whole job, the actual job in 2026 of building anything serious with AI is harness engineering. Now you can look at any AI system and see which layers are present, which are missing, and where it will break. Remember one thing if you remember nothing else from 23 episodes. The model eventually is interchangeable. The harness, the system you build around it, is the differentiator that matters. The model is what everyone has access to. The harness is what your team brings. That's where the work is. That's where the value compounds. Now you have a name for it, a map for it, and a complete mental model of every layer. Three things to hold. First, 3 evolutions: prompt, context, harness. Each expanded what the engineer is responsible for. Second, 5 harness layers: tool orchestration, verification, context and memory, guardrails, observability. Every episode is a piece of one. Third, the harness, not the model, determines reliability. Same model, different harness, wildly different results. That's the discipline. That's the work. Playlist 4 complete. Series complete. The model is interchangeable. The harness is the differentiator. Thank you for watching. Keep building.